This winter, your hands don't have to be cold if you have these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Just bought these hand warmers, and they are electric, so you can take them with you wherever you go. And out here in the cold, blistering, snowy weather, you might want them. Whether you're going to a sports game, sitting outside watching football, maybe you're going on a hike. Maybe you're riding on a romantic sleigh ride and those mitts are going to get cold. Sometimes gloves just aren't enough. So I picked these up. They are blue. I thought that would be a cool color. And I want to show you what we get here. So these are actually fairly ergonomic as far as I can tell. And there they are. And I just want to pull this out. Here is the mitts. I'm going to hold that right there for a second. And I'm going to show you that there's also this little box of accessories. So what we get is a little hand warmer drawstring bag for that. We get two little white lanyards, which will be nice so you don't lose them or drop them. And we actually get two micro USB cables. So you should be able to charge them both up at the same time. Now, here are the hand warmers, and what I want to show you here is they do come in a couple different colors, so you don't have to get this anodized aluminum blue here, but I have two of them stuck together with magnets, and they look kind of like a giant egg together, but I love that they're held together like this, and then they come apart, so you can have them both together just like this. Now, first of all, before we get too far into this, I do want to show you that these are just regular room temperature, and so if I just hit it with my laser thermometer there, so pretty much just room temperature here. But what I want to show you here is they're perfectly sized and very ergonomic for the hand. On the top, we have that little hole for the lanyard. And then on the bottom, we have actually the micro USB port, so you can charge them from there. We have a USB port, so you can use them as a power bank in a pinch. So if your phone is dead, you want to pull a little power off, charge that sucker up, you certainly can. And then to turn them on, the little button right there, you will press twice. And that will go power on. You can see I've got 3 LED lights right there. And now this USB port here will be powered so you can charge up stuff. Now if I hold this button down for 4 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, we get to heating. And so you can see that one LED light is now pink or red. And if I tap it again, it's going to go up to the highest level there. So what I want to do here is just let this little bad boy warm up, and then we will see if it's actually working. Alright, it hasn't been but 10 seconds and I can already feel the warmth being transmitted through this aluminum outer housing. So these things heat up instantly, which is actually a big improvement over those air-activated hand warmers that you would shake to get warm. Sometimes those can take 2-3 minutes to actually start feeling warm. But like I said, I'm only 20 seconds into this bad boy and it's already starting to feel a little hot. So I'm gonna let this warm up to temp and then we'll take the temperature again. And this thing is getting toasty, and I will say on level 3, it actually might be on your bare skin too warm to touch. Luckily they have a level 2 and 1 here. So depending on how cold it is, you will choose the level that you prefer. But I can tell you right here, it is getting very, very toasty. So what I wanna do here is we'll get a little laser temp and 100 degrees. And I wouldn't be surprised if it keeps rolling up there just a little bit. I mean, that is pretty hot. 102 degrees. Yeah, it's getting hot. Maybe uncomfortably hot. But it's nice to know that out here in the wilderness, in the cold mountain air, you have something to keep your extremities warm. So if you want to pick up not just one hand warmer, but a set of hand warmers, which makes all the sense in the world to have, man, you can put these in your pocket, take them anywhere. They're small, they're convenient, and they work great. If you want to keep your fingers safe and warm this winter, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.